And the saga continues. I'm trying not to overload you guys with videos today, but I keep forgetting some parts of this. So, these jerks, until I would come back and take this out, this Bosch 20 SEER heat pump, and the 20 SEER air handler that lays back there. I'll get these out tomorrow morning. My back hurts. I'm too old for this shit. You guys know what I mean. But anyway, let me show you the other part of this saga. So, they were holding some tools ransom. And said that they weren't going to, even though I was offering, hold on, let's go back here. Even though I was offering to give them all their money back to give me that shit back, they said, you left some tools on top of our, there's like a shelf inside of the garage there that I left this stuff up on top of. I was so pissed last time I left there a long time ago that I forgot. So my old hammer that I love this hammer. So what I had to do, because I didn't know where the hell it was, so I went and bought this other one. You'll see the difference. It's a, this one's a cheapo Husky hammer. This one's a cheap one too, but I just love this. I love this hammer. I can't remember the brand, but it had an American flag wrapped around there until the coating came off. I love that. My vice grip channel locks that I love. I got my Crescent, my little baby channel locks, which is awesome for 1/2-inch gas pipe and any little smaller fittings. My big Milwaukee thumping screwdriver that I love. Another set of these green Midwest offsets, red Midwest offsets. My patented fitting that I love, this 90-degree angle, along with another one of these bits, which you can never have too much of, the 1/4 5/16 reversible bit. And then my awesome Lennox tubing cutters. I had to go out and buy a pair of a pair of cheapy ones to get me by, because I knew these were somewhere. Here I am thinking I lost them in my bag somewhere, so I'm searching. But yeah, he told me, he goes, hey, I have some of your hand tools. I'm not giving them back to you till you do this or that. These are very vindictive people, and it pisses me off, honestly. And I don't know. Tell me what you guys think, but that's kind of a dick move. I'm going to sit down. There we go. Kind of a dick move, these people, to, hold on to my hand tools. And so they were holding money ransom after the first part. Well, I'm not paying you the final payment until X. And then X became Y. Y became Z. Then we started the alphabet again. And there was an A, B, C, D. And that's why I fired them. A certain segment of the population doesn't mind paying you that deposit because they're desperate. They want to get somebody in there to do the work. But they get weird when it comes time to pay that second half, which they did. Finally. Trust me, it took an act of God. I had to pray to the sky that these people would pay me. And then they're not happy with the job or whatever. They're calling me every couple of days, making up some excuse for me to come back and make it right, or they're gonna get an attorney, a bunch of bullshit, tell me they have my tools, they're holding my tools ransom. So they're the type of people that they're gonna hold money ransom, until you kiss their ass, and then they're gonna say they have something of yours. You better do this or forget about you. No. I'm done with people like that. I'm not doing business with people like that anymore. That's the rant over for today about this. I just wanted to get this out on this Sunday. But I'm going to vet my customers very well, and they're going to know that I mean business just as much as I hope they mean business. And that's what it's all about. It's mutual. The old saying, customer is always right, is not true in contracting. Because some people are just bastards and will screw you over. And I ain't going to allow it to happen. Not on my watch. So, If you want to become an HVAC contractor or any trade contractor in general, GC, or I actually am a GC. I do other work as well, but I specialize in HVAC. But if you want to be a general contractor or a specialty contractor, just make sure that you dot your I's and cross your T's, and make sure that you stand your ground and don't let people walk all over you. Otherwise, you'll be broke and you won't stay in business. I plan on staying in business until I retire, and that's going to happen. I'm not going to let assholes like this ruin my business. Enough said.